The 5th-ranked product is Fantic X8 Apex Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. 1-minute fast inflation. 150 psi cordless tire inflator with LED dual screen. Suitable for MPV, car, e-bike, motorcycle. Up to 26.3 tires. Review score 4.7. Review count 5,322 ratings. Price $69.99. Customers like the performance, ease of use, and build quality of the air compressor. They mention it works well, is easy to check, and has a good portable size. Customers also appreciate its speed, accuracy, and utility. Customers dislike, however, some customers have mixed opinions on the battery life. The 4th-ranked product is Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. 170 psi cordless air pump. 4x faster air compressor with pressure detection. 1-click smart tire pump for car, motorcycle, bicycle and ball. Review score 4.8. Review count 144 ratings. Price $59.99. Customers like the compactness, effectiveness, and ease of use of the air compressor. They mention it's ideal for small vehicles with little storage space, provides portability, and has intuitive controls. Some also appreciate the build quality, power, value for money, and inflatability. Customers dislike, no info. The 3rd-ranked product is Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. Air pump for car tires with digital pressure gauge. 150 psi rechargeable battery. LED light. Cordless bike tire pump for car, motorcycle, bicycle and more. Review score 4.8. Review count 206 ratings. Price $59.99. Customers like the performance, ease of use, and compactness of the air compressor. They mention it performs well, is simple to read, and convenient. Some appreciate the charge rate, saying it charges very quickly. Customers also say it's a great value for money, and they are happy with the battery life, accuracy, and inflatability. Customers dislike, no info. The 2nd-ranked product is OMQ Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. 150 psi smart air pump for car tires with LED light. Cordless tire pump with digital pressure gauge. Tire inflator for car, bike, motorcycle, ball. Review score 4.8. Review count 272 ratings. Price $49.99. Customers like the compactness, ease of use, and functionality of the air compressor. They mention it's portable, convenient to store, and works well on car, bike, and motorcycle tires. Customers also appreciate the accuracy and value for money. They also like the speed, build quality, and power. Customers dislike, no info. The 1st-ranked product is Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor 5x Faster 10,000 mAh Cordless Air Pump for car tires. Electric bike tire pump with digital pressure gauge. LED light for motorcycle, bicycle, ball. Review score 5. Review count 119 ratings. Price $49.99. Customers like the functionality, size, and ease of use of the air compressor. They mention it works well, is portable, and perfect for on the go. Customers also appreciate the gauge, which is easy to read and ensures they're inflating to the correct pressure. They also say it comes with a car charger and regular USB charging cable. Customers are satisfied with the battery life, brightness, and value for money. Customers dislike, no info.